Today, I'm going to be showing you how to create promotions and sales on the eBay platform. What is up, beautiful people? TJ here with another episode. Today, I'm going to be telling you how to create promotions and sales on the eBay platform. I'm not sure if this is a new thing or if this is something that's been around for a while. This is something very new to me. I've been a seller on eBay for over 11 years now, and I've never really used this feature before. So I was really excited to be able to create promotions and sales for all of my items without going through each individual item and saying, okay, this is going to be for sale. Okay, this is going to be for sale. You can actually just do a blanket sale for all of your items. You can say 10% off, 8% off, 5% off each item. And what that does is it puts your item in front of other people's items, and you do kind of invoke some sales with having those store sales. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that, how to set that up. It's super simple, super easy. So it should be a pretty quick video. So let's jump over into the computer.
All right, so I'm going to try to make this super simple, super quick. So we're going to start on the eBay Seller Hub. If you don't have the eBay Seller Hub, you need to sign up for a business account because it does give you a better view of your business, especially if you're doing higher volumes of sales. You really want to have this Seller's Hub so you can kind of see everything. And up here at the top, you need to click on marketing. So that's going to give you all of your marketing, everything that you've done for the past. You can pull up different sales reports and different things like that. All right, so to get a promotion, you need to go over here to either promotions or markdown sales. So if you click on promotions, it's just going to give you all of the promotions that you've ever done. So it's going to be your markdown promotions. That's going to be what we're going to be talking about today. And then we're also, it'll also show you like the volume pricing. So we had these pop sockets, and we had them, if you bought one, you got this price. If you bought two, you got 5% off. You got three, you bought three, you got 8% off, whatever it was. That is also going to be shown in here. But if you want to get to promotions, all you have to do is go over here to the top right hand corner and click on promotion. And then there's several promotions that you can do. You can do order discount, you can do shipping discount, you can do volume pricing, you can do codeless coupon, or you can do a sale event plus markdown. So today we're going to be talking about the sale event plus markdown. All right, so what you want to do is once you open that up, you need to look at the amount that you want to discount. So my items, I generally don't discount more than 8%. Normally it's 5%, but you can do whatever percent that you feel like doing. There's also other ways that you can kind of tier your discount. So I'll show you that here in just a second. So if you want to make it, 8%, let's just say. So what this will do is it'll take 8% off each item. So that means each and every item will have 8% off of it, no matter when you posted it. And then, okay, so you get two options here. You can either select items or you can choose rules. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to click on select items. So you can go right here and you can change the percent off for each different tier if you would like to do that. So sometimes what I'll do is I'll go in here and I'll say, okay, 10% off all items that are between this price and this price. And then you can do a tier for that, or you can do 5% off for just a specific category. If you have like electronics, or if you have home goods, or whatever it is, you can create just different tiers of sales for different things. Also, this is kind of powerful. If you have items that have been in your store for a really long time, you can go over here and say, okay, if it's been in the store between 30 and 60 days, then I want to do 10% off. Or if it's been in the store for 90 through 120 days, I want 20% off. And that will give your customers like an incentive to purchase those older items that have been in your store for quite a while. So like I said, you have to do a tier for each one if you want to change just having different promotion levels for different items. You would have to change the percent level for each tier. I hope that makes sense. You have to make multiples if that makes any sense. Anyway, so today what we want to do is we want to include all items in all categories, and every item is going to get 8% off. So what we'll do is we'll just click that, and it'll show every item, and it'll also show what that percentage will be. So I just listed this yesterday. This is a we got this on a baby palette. It's listed for $199, and let's see. So with the 8% off, it'll be $185.07. So I'm not the type of person that increases my prices so I can take, you know, the price off. I just list it for whatever I think I can get for it, and then if I do a promotion, it's off of that amount, if that makes any sense. So anyway, you can go down through here and kind of see what all you want to do. So if you got newly listed items and you don't want those to be included in the sale, all you got to do is click them off, and they won't be included in the sale. You can just take them off, and yeah, they won't be in the sale. So after you do that, you can go to confirm selections, and you know, you can kind of go through here and see exactly what you have on here, and you know, you can make changes here too. If you want to remove something, you can remove something, and then you click on save and review, and it will actually take you to the next page, which will start the sale. So you can also go in and select a time and date for the sale. So once you go over here to save and review, all right, so you can say, okay, I want to start my sale just this weekend. So you'll go in and you'll start it on the first day at whatever time, and it will end on the next day. So I generally try to run my sales all week long. You know, I'll go through and I'll say, hey, these need to be on sale for 8% off for the next 7 days. At the end of that sale, I evaluate what my sales were, you know, what my inventory is, then I may run another sale. So I don't really put too much stuff in here. I mean, I'll put the description, so it may say inventory reduction sale or something like that. You can type in across all brands. They got little examples down here, and then also it pulls images. I normally just put in, you know, like my logo, or I may put in just a couple of the actual photos, because these pictures look like crap. I wouldn't want to use those. I wouldn't click on that if I saw that anywhere. So you just want to make sure that whatever photo you choose for this event is kind of eye-catching. And that is pretty much how you create sales. And if you go to my store, maybe. If you go to my store, so right now I do have a 8% sale off. So if you go and look down through my line, you'll see all of these items have a promotion. I'm gonna actually show you what the promotion looks like. Actually, this item right here sold today with a promotion. So we had 7% off. It was $2.99. They made it $2.78, and then they got free shipping. So they got a really good deal on this, because I think this is like a $500 travel system. So they actually got a pretty good deal. Like you can see right here, I don't have that many details in my listings because I think sometimes that's overkill. So anyway, so that is going to be it.
All right, that is going to be it for today, guys. I hope you guys got some kind of value out of this video. If you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I release new videos. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Never understand the things that we want.